Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser control board in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a Torx 15 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser control board. The dispenser control board is mounted inside the dispenser control panel. It operates the dispenser function like cold and hot water, crushed or cubed ice, light and lock. If one or more of the dispenser functions is not working or the display won't work properly, it's time to replace the dispenser control board. We're going to start with removing this face, the only top portion of this control panel. And we got 4 clips behind this face on the top only. So I'm going to pull it as far as I can with my fingers just to make a tiny seam there in the back. And I'm going to insert the putty knife and start prying it off. And now I'm going to leave this in and I'm going to lift it up. Putty knife comes off and I'm going to slide up the cover. Alright, so we've got the 4 tabs at the bottom of this face and 4 tabs at the top of the face. So the bottom tabs just slide into this slots at the bottom, and we have 1, 2, and 3, and 4 tabs on the top that locks it. The next step would be taking out these 4 1/4-inch screws. I'm using a nut driver, a 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to take them out so we can remove the control board. Now I'm going to slide the dispenser control module out and tilt it down. Now we're going to disconnect those 2 plugs. I'm going to press the locking tab on the side, pull it apart. Same thing here. And now I'm going to take it to the workable surface so we can disconnect the board from the control panel. Alright, so guys, we have to take out a lot of Torx 15 screws. You can see all those black color screws that holds the control board to this panel. Let's start doing it one by one. It looks like we got all the screws. Then I'm going to disconnect this plug here. And I'm going to slide the control out. This is the old dispenser control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to remove the shield temporarily. Okay, this is our new control board. We're going to turn this over. Like that, so it will be installed this way. And now we're going to install it. So we need to match the openings in the control board with the posts, mounting posts. And I'm gonna put a couple of screws. Our Torx 15, and using a Torx 15 screwdriver, I'm gonna just secure it. Now we're gonna install this shield And we're going to place a couple of screws here. All right, so place this bar down and match the holes and secure it with the screws. We're still using the same Torx 15 screws. I'm going to plug this one in. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to try the buttons. If you feel they're springing back, then we're good. So I'm going to take it over to the fridge and install it. All right, we're going to start the installation with plugging these two plugs first. And I'm going to turn it and slide it in. I'm going to insert those corner screws, start it manually, and I'm going to tighten them up with a 1/4" nut driver. Now I'm going to put this happy face on. The bottom goes first. We're inserting those tabs, 4 tabs into these 4 slots. Push in the right side. It has to go behind this knob. And press it down. Push this top in and it's locked. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.